Yo guys, okay, welcome back to another vlog. It is snowing like crazy. It has been snowing all morning. All right, it's all crazy. Look at all this snow, man. Look at the snow. And it's everywhere, bro. I was really hungry today, and I was so excited for lunch, but then it kept snowing so much that I couldn't go. So I'm walking right now home, and hopefully I'll eat something good. All right, but Utah's crazy, bro. We don't have this in Arizona. Our biggest threat in Arizona only has to be a heat wave. That's it. It ain't that bad. We can just go to the pool. That's it. But this, I've never experienced before. All right, this is crazy, yo. Mama has to take me back to Arizona, bro. I cannot take this no more, alright? I just can't handle the snow no more, man. It's so cold. Yo, I was not expecting it to snow so much. Alright, and I don't really know what else to talk about. But hopefully soon I will be gaining subscribers and losing some. I've already lost like at least 4 subscribers. All right. Hopefully I will gain some soon enough. All right. And yeah. So yeah. I guess that's it for the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like it, please hit that like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Also go ahead and comment down if you have ever been in a snowstorm. All right. Also go ahead and share this video with your friends. Go and watch my other videos that I have already made, and go follow me on social media. All right, and yeah, that's it, guys. See ya.